Okay, guys. Ms. Norm had a very busy day, but because I had so many students contact me and tell me I need help with the homework, I'm going to stop and make this video. So just like we did in class where you draw the area model for each particular fraction, we're going to do the same thing here, except for the only difference is this is an improper fraction, and we know that the improper fractions turn into mixed numbers. So because the numerator is bigger than the denominator, we have to draw two boxes that represent this particular fraction. Here we have a proper fraction, 5/6, where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. We can only use the one box that we use in class to represent the fraction. So let's try to represent both fractions using our area model. Okay. So here I need two boxes, and I'll tell you why, explain why in just a moment, to represent 3/2. And then here I need one box to represent 5/6. So we know that the denominator tells you how many parts make a whole. So I know that I have to divide these boxes into two pieces, okay? The denominator tells you how many parts that make a whole. I know that I have to take this 6 and divide this box into 6 pieces. So let's do our divisions. I want you all to try to do it along as Ms. Dorm explains. So I have 2 divisions in each box, and the numerator tells us how many parts to shade in. So here, our numerator is 3. I have to shade in 3 of the 2. So I have 1 that I shade in here, 2 shaded in here, and then 3 shaded in here. Now, for this area model to represent 5/6, I have to divide the box into 6 pieces. Okay, the denominator tells you how many parts make a whole, and the numerator tells you how many parts are shaded in. So that would be 5 of the 6 pieces. So let's divide our box into 6 pieces, or 6 sections. Now, if I divide it into 2, I know that 3 plus 3 equals 6, so each section has to be divided into 3 parts. I have 1, 2, 3 here, and 1, 2, 3 over here. Now the numerator tells me how many to shade in, which means I have to shade in 5 of the 6 pieces. So let's do our shading. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, and then this is 5. So I have 5 of the 6, or 5/6, representing area model, and I have 3, 1, 2, 3 of the 2 represented as an area model. Let's talk real quickly why we had to use 2 boxes to represent 3/2. We know that 3/2 is an improper fraction. How do we change improper fractions to mixed numbers? Okay, I hope you said divide. Very good. We look at this like a division problem because really it is a division problem. This symbol in division means mystery number. This one means mystery number. So here we don't have a mystery. We have a number that represents this symbol.